ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar overnight put in a brave attempt towards the upside, however, clearly found the bear camp sitting around 74.15. From the retreat, now puts in play the bearish outlook, which I'm holding to, with the objective of remaining around 71.2080. On the day, I expect to see a range of 73.35 to 74.15. If we do see a return of demand, resistance will only find to be more challenging around 74.60. What would turn this bearish view around completely is seeing a break towards a resistance of 74.9505, which would negate this bearish outside range day and see a move back towards 76.5 to 77 cents. However, what is concerning, if we look at the weeklies are really showing heavy declines here. If we look at the hourly, this enforces the move of bearish down trade today. So I'll be looking for through 73.35 and lower down towards 72.35 to 75. With the objective, as I say, around 71 cents. The euro took the challenge upon the upside overnight and found resistance at 114.50. With the resistance expected to hold in the next 24 hours from 114.50 to 115.20, then I'm looking for a move down towards 113.70 and lower towards 113.15, with the objective still holding this week towards 112.2025. What we must take note is that we still have that bearish shooting star and we still have a declining indicator. So this in turn supports this bearish outlook and a stronger US dollar. Dollar yen came through to the downside from the report I put out yesterday and now looks to challenge the support seen at 107.70. If this level fails to hold, then I expect to see further weakness towards 106.80 and lower down towards 106 to 105.15.30, which was the old previous objective. But saying all that, if we see a break towards the upside again of 108.80.90, then this would reinstate the bullish outcome for a further rally up towards 109.5 to 110 as an objective. And do note that we still have a stochastic that still supports a return of demand. So we may see a bounce of 107.70. Sterling took a stab towards the upside recently, and from posting that bearish outside range day, still keeps the negative outlook in play. And also note we did get a second outside range day here about 4 days ago. On the day I expect to see sterling trade in the range of 143.90 to 144.80.90, but the indicators on an hourly basis are heavy and I do expect to see a further decline towards 143.40 and lower down towards 142 figure 10. And to wrap up with gold, well, since the rejection of that 1,258 level, the bulls have maintained to keep this in play towards the target of 1,278. The indicators are still a little bit bullish, so we could see an extension of the move that I gave yesterday of 178 to 112.80 to 88, and then see the move down. It needs to see a move through 112.70 to open away towards 112.62, with my objective still holding towards 1,246.50. So to wrap it up, Aussie to be weaker, Euro to return to its weakness, dollar yen could recover from 107.70, which looks in favour, sterling weaker, a stronger US dollar all round, and with gold to eventually drop away from that 112.80 and lower down towards 112.60 to 112.46.50. Thank you very much for listening and enjoy your day.